Hello everybody, it's Christine. It is time for the Counterfeit Kit Challenge, my kit reveal. And this month I'm doing a mini kit. And I'm doing a mini kit because I'm in the process of moving, and I will drop a picture of my craft room as it currently stands right up here. But, so I'm doing the mini kit this month. So, and actually my friend Tara's doing the mini kit also because she's also in the process of moving. Let me show you the inspiration kit. So the way this works is we get an inspiration kit, and then we build a kit out of the stuff we have that's basically a counterfeit, right? So our master forger picked Vintage Artistry Sunburst. It's a $49 market kit, and you can kind of see it's got these tropical flavors to it. Hot pink, really a bright blue. There's a lot of wordy bits and stuff. This is really pretty with these little rub-ons. But the whole point is it's all real bright and happy, you know, with a little black dumped in there. And so that's an example. And what I have is, I'm going to start here. I actually was really lucky. I have the 49, is this shiny? Let me see. Let me pull this out so you don't have to see the shiny shines. I had the 49 Market Kaleidoscope. And the really cool part is the colors are really bright and happy, just like our inspiration kit. So now the birds are a little different. There's flamingos in the inspiration kit, but we have these little birds here. But it's this turquoisey, pinky blue stuff. We have a polka dot. And then the back side has this really gorgeous print with the bird and the flowers. And then there's this really neat turquoisey tone on tone, but with a little like mixed media look to it. And some more bird stuff. And then there's a couple pieces of white cardstock, because like I said, this came in my scrap room flavors of the month, or at least if I didn't say it, I should have said it. This was a scrap room flavors of the month. I do not recall which month, within the last few months. And then I did get little baby bits of embellishments, some little chipboard pieces. There's little birds and leaves and stuff, and then a little tag here. So this was perfect. And then I did get into the little bit of stash I had before I packed it. I did have one piece of flamingo paper. I know I have more, you guys, but I've already packed it. So I'm going to try to incorporate this because it has got the flamingos, which is in the inspiration. And then I got into my letters again just before I packed it here. And I have these little yellow doodlebug glitter letters. They're really bright and happy. They're yellow, but they'll go. It'll be fine. I'll figure out some way to make it work. Or alternatively, I also pulled out this thing here. It's from Fancy Pants. It says it's Shapes and Dots Puffy stickers. They actually feel more like a chipboard sticker, but they are like glossy. They have like a little shine to them. It's hard to see through this packaging, but well, maybe I'll pull it out. Let's see. Oh, well, they're not chipboard. They are kind of puffy, kind of. That's interesting. Oh, weird. Okay. You can see there's a gloss to them. But I really like this little thing here. I've not even broken into it. Honestly, I'm not even sure where I just pulled this out of. Maybe my letters. But there's a few titles, which is great. There's hearts, there's triangles, there's these. So these will act like enamel dots is kind of my thinking. Because I'm a little limited on my embellishments. So that is my little mini kit. I know I'm supposed to do a couple of projects, and all this stuff will be up on the blog, I believe, the 6th. So make sure you check out the blog. I'll have the link below. And then we also have a Facebook group. So make sure you hop over there, join that. I think you have to answer a couple questions. But it's really fun because if you want to play along, you can get in the Facebook group and you can drop your projects from the challenges. Because there are multiple challenges throughout the month as well. We have, I want to say we may have 10 Master Forgers now. So it's really great. It's a really good variety of styles and that sort of thing. So that is my mini kit, you guys. We'll see what I can make. See you soon.